I want to share a workflow I recently saw for enlarging images while keeping them clear. Personally, I found it to be really effective. You can see that it's not just zooming in by pulling pixels, but also adding lots of details. In this workflow, actually many parts can stay as defaults. There are a few points worth mentioning. Here are 2 levels of noise reduction corresponding to the first and second magnifications respectively. The higher the noise reduction, the more it deviates from the original image. The default settings are 0.3 and 0.35. If you look to the right, you'll need to load a large model, a control net model, a LoRA model for adding details, and an upscaling model from CCSR. So there are 4 models in total here. Personally, I think it's better to stay consistent with it. This is the zoom level, which defaults to 4 times. Once you know these basic parameters, load the corresponding model, upload an image, and click the queue to start the enlargement process.
Navigate to RunningHub's AI or click the link in the introduction to register and get 1200 gigabytes. Log in daily to receive an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.